Welcome back, everyone. Today's tutorial is a direct fix for one of the most common and frankly frustrating issues OBS Studio users face when you just can't get desktop audio to come through in your recording or stream. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to diagnose and solve those silent streams, so your audience hears every bit of your game, music, or commentary. No more awkward silence, no more guessing. Let's jump right in. First up, we'll check both your system's volume mixer and some core OBS audio settings. Sometimes the solution is hidden in plain sight. It's surprising how often the problem is just a muted slider. So, look down at your Windows taskbar and find that little speaker icon. Right-click it and choose Open Volume Mixer. Now take a close look at the list of running applications. You're looking for OBS Studio in there. Occasionally, the mixer decides to mute OBS independently of your system's main sound. So make sure the OBS volume slider isn't all the way down or muted. If it is, simply turn it up and see if that restores your desktop audio. Once you've made sure OBS isn't muted, let's get into the OBS settings themselves. In OBS, head over to Settings, then navigate to Audio. Here's the part that trips up a lot of users. Under Global Audio Devices, you'll see a setting for desktop audio. Double-check that the right device is selected. This should match the speakers or headphones you're actually using on your computer. If you're plugged into headphones but OBS is set to speakers or a different output, there's your culprit. Switch to the correct device, hit Apply, and give it a moment. Sometimes OBS needs a second to process the change, so if it doesn't work instantly, don't worry. Just also try toggling between Apply and reselecting your device. Next, let's refine things with Advanced Audio Properties, which gives us deeper control over how desktop audio behaves in both your headphones and your stream or recording. On the OBS main window, look for the Audio Mixer panel, usually near the bottom. Find Desktop Audio, click on the little gear icon next to it, and choose Advanced Audio Properties. This is like opening up a settings toolbox for your audio. Here, you're going to see an option called Audio Monitoring. For most users, monitor and output is what you want. This allows you to both hear the desktop audio through your headphones and send the sound out to your audience, whether that's viewers on Twitch or a local recording. If you set it to monitor only, mute output, the sound goes only to your headphones and gets silenced for everyone else, which is useful if you just want a personal cue without broadcasting that audio. Take your time with this setting. Don't be afraid to experiment and always remember to click close once you're done. And that's it. With these steps, you should now have your desktop audio back up and running in OBS Studio. If you're still having trouble, maybe double-check your physical audio connections. Sometimes a loose cable or muted hardware volume is the sneaky problem. I hope this tutorial helps restore your sound and your confidence in OBS. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides like this. And got questions or run into a specific audio issue I didn't cover? Drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.